For 30 some odd years, the Reionator has been the most reliable water cleaning product that I've ever seen.
The systems that WaterTech sells are the highest quality.
I'd stand this equipment up to anybody's.
The product is the best that we found. 90% of my systems that we sell on the whole house are from WaterTech.
If you want and to not even worry about your products when you install them and you can just keep on going, then WaterTech's the company.
We did see that we could go down to the big box hardware store down the street and buy an inexpensive water softener. But for us, it just seemed like a better investment to just get the right high-quality unit from a reputable company that's been in business, American-made, certified, a no-brainer to just go with a Reionator first of all and get a high-quality system in place.
Water is just something that's so basic.
It's a fundamental thing that touches every aspect of our lives.
And people are taking a much closer look at actually what is in my water.
We've seen it become something that people care about. They're seeing it in the news every day.
Like you're taking a bath and you're like, oh my gosh, why is my skin so dry?
What's that red staining stuff that's in the back of your toilets? What does that do? Is it harmful? Is it not harmful?
Tap water in this city has lead in it.
There's so much information out there, and people are educating themselves. What am I bringing into my body? And they're much more concerned about that. And so what we've done really delivers some of the best water quality you can get for the entire house.
At the end of the day, we really just want the H2O molecule to go into our bodies.
For me to invest in a water treatment and filtration system, that's a small price to pay. To have soft water that's been treated on our tile, our grout, our skin, the water that we drink on a daily basis for our family.
It's hard to describe, but it's like, oh, that feels good when you take a shower. It's like an intense peace of mind. You know that the water you're putting into your body is good for you.
Safer, healthier water from every tap in the home.
Very low maintenance.
You really don't have to do anything. You just enjoy it.
We don't change out any filters.
You know it's gonna work. It's gonna outlast your hot water heater. It's gonna outlast your dishwasher, your refrigerator, all those things that it's protecting. That quality is now safeguarding the quality of those other products that are in your home.
And the warranties are really like the best in the industry.
With WaterTech, if we have a problem, it's one phone call. There's no send it in, we'll look at it and then decide if you're gonna get a replacement. It's the replacement's on its way, customer's taken care of immediately. Whatever you need, start a timer and it's gonna be done pretty quick.
The training they provide in the field is also excellent. They actually come to our office, train our people, something that other companies have given up, they still provide.
They're great guys. You know that these are people you can trust.
It's about taking care of me as a dealer, distributor, my company that I work with, but it goes all the way to the homeowner and making sure that the homeowner is taken care of also.
We're here to deliver a complete WaterTech experience through everything we do.
It's a family-owned business, the way we're a family-owned business. They're concerned with the quality. They oversee it. And it's important to their integrity and to them, and that translates to the reliability of the product.
And we just care differently.
We believe in doing things fast, getting them done, helping our customers, serving them immediately when they need help, where they need help.
They do what they say they're gonna do, and they do it quickly.
To be honest, they're the most responsive company I've dealt with in a very long time.
We aspire to be something good in our industry, something great, actually.
And I think that's just been pervasive as we've grown the company to just do the right thing.
You're helping people get clean water. There's a lot of purpose behind it.
And it's a common problem. I think almost every household is affected in some way, but to be able to solve that problem is huge.